Welcome to the Queen of Clean edition. I'm Angel ZGALA, and I'm reading from this book that I find handy sometimes. And I had opened it to a random page and read some about cleaning outdoor furniture. And the next little section was the grill drill. And I thought I would share it with you as I learn so we could learn together, because I just started grilling this last year and I am into it. And I imagine I'm not the only one. So let's talk about, I'm just going to read from this book now. Let's talk about ways to make cooking on the grill easier and more fun for palace chefs. Prevent sticking. Before you light the barbecue, spray the grill rack with non-sticking cooking spray. Non-stick. Never spray an aerosol near an open flame, or your kingdom will come to an end with a big kabang. Non-stick cooking spray works great on gas or charcoal grills. Again, never spray near an open flame or lit hot coals. Apply a liberal coat and food won't stick, making cooking and cleanup a lot easier. I actually have never tried that one. I'm not big on cooking spray. 2, cleaning the grill. To clean the grill surface when it's heavily caked with baked-on food, follow this procedure. Simply wrap the rack in a piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil, dull side facing out. Heat the barbecue to high heat and place the rack over the coals or flames for 10 to 12 minutes. When you remove the foil after it's cooled, all the burned-on grease and food drippings will fall off your rack, and your rack will be spotless and ready to grill again. Royal decree. Immediately after cooking on a grill, make a ball of aluminum foil and scrub the warm grill rack surface with it, taking care not to burn your fingers. That's her royal decree, not mine, for the record. I kind of disagree because I'm not big on using balls of aluminum foil frivolously. But I'll use yours vicariously through you if you care to. Let's see. Number 3. Come and clean on grill racks. I do think that idea was good for heating it up, though, if you're wanting to get things off of it, maybe. I just burn it off. What about you? Anyway. Many people recommend putting the grill rack in the bathtub, filled with hot water, detergent, and ammonia. I do not recommend that, just for the record. I find this a particularly messy way to do it because you have to clean the tub when you're done, right? If you do use this method, be sure to lay old rags or a garbage bag in the tub to prevent scratching the tub surface with the grill rack wet. I suggest you try this easier method instead. Lay some paper towels moistened with undiluted ammonia on both sides of the rack and put it in an appropriate size plastic bag and seal. Leave it overnight, and the next day open the bag away from your face because it stinks. Wipe down the rack with paper towels in the bag. Wash it well with soapy water and rinse it. I got to see what year this book was written. I probably should have checked that earlier. Oh, come on. It's supposed to tell you right in front here. Isn't it? There it is. I missed it. 2002. We're about to hit 2024. 22 years. A lot's changed since then. I think ammonia, I don't know. Is ammonia recommended these days? One of you kids tell me. Seems that stuff's powerful. I don't know. That doesn't sound safe to me, but what do I know? I'm just your Aunt Angel. It's a good time to remind you, unclaimer, this isn't my work, and I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just sharing what's in this book and my reactions to it, I guess, along the way. Keeping pan bottoms clean. Before setting a pan on the grill rack to warm barbecue sauce, or marinade or to cook additional foods. Do people do that? Rub the pan bottom with bar soap. The soap makes it easier to clean off the soot when you're done cooking. I know that sounds excessive to me, but cleaning permanent briquettes. Again, I'm like, I didn't know people did that. Flip the briquettes and ignite the grill. Close the cover and allow it to burn on a high setting for 15 minutes, and will burn off previous food drippings. Yeah, that's how I clean most things. Ain't nothing around here, a nice coat of fire won't fix it right up. That's what I like to say. Grease splatters. Those aren't good. No, those don't mix well with fire unless you got some room. For cement or wood patios, keep a container of salt nearby when barbecuing. Should grease splatter or drip, immediately cover with salt. Sweep up and reapply until grease is absorbed. Scrub the pots with dishwashing liquid and rinse. That I can get behind. I think that's good advice. Salt's good stuff. You should have a lot of it everywhere. Not ever. That's an exaggeration. Keeping the outside of the grill clean. This is such a fast, easy way to clean the outside of a grill. It works well on charcoal and gas grills and will make them look almost like new. Take some Gojo waterless hand cleaner and rub it on the outside of a cool grill with an old rag or paper towel. Work it in the metal well, paying special attention to any grease or barbecue sauce spots. Do not rinse. Instead, take paper towels and buff the grill surface and watch as the dirt is replaced with a great shine. And last but not least, cleaning the glass grill a window. Many glass grills have glass windows in them. Of course, once you use the grill a few times, you can no longer see through the window. To clean the windows, spray the inside of the glass with oven cleaner. Wait a few minutes and then scrub and rinse well. On the outside of the glass, use Gojo waterless hand cleaner and buff well. I was just thinking as I started reading this, well, whatever she has, I hope maybe it'll work on the window of my oven glass. Because oven cleaner don't do much to it once it's real baked on. And maybe I got special stuff baked on mine. I don't know. I've cleaned a lot of ovens actually. It doesn't just wipe off like they say once you bake it on for some years or decades. Just saying. Anyway, there you have it. The grill drill. I think fire is the best solution for most grill-related messes. Just burn it off. Salt's good for soaking it up where you don't want to burn it off. That's my summary of all that. Let me know what you think of all that. And as always, stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit and free, stay silly, stay you. Thanks for letting me stay me. Give me a thumbs up, would you? Thanks.